Breaking news, breaking news, breaking news. This one I have to do exercise because this one concerns us. It's a breaking news. So breaking news, breaking news, breaking news. I know that some of us were asleep yesterday when they announced that the President Tinubu has suspended Emefiele, the former CBN governor. You know, I always say it. If you run an office, it gets to a point that you are now former. So former CBN governor Godwin Emefiele has been suspended from the CBN with immediate effect. Most of us were asleep last night. We didn't hear about the news. Now, immediately they suspended Emefiele. The DSS arrested him. They picked him up on 10-count charge. I will read the charges against Emefiele. It's here with me. I printed it out. Now, what you need to do is, many of us were asleep before when this whole thing happened. So what you need to do is to share this video so that everybody can see it. It's a breaking news. I do not read what is not on the news. Whatever video I do here, it is based on what they keep in the news. Me, I come to give my people that are watching me. So what my people need to do is to share the video, let the video travel. You people have been doing a nice job. Try sending my video. This one, I want you to take it very serious. Yes. Before I will say anything about this matter, I want to read the 10-count charges against Emefiele. Now, details of DSS, I will put it on the screen so you can see it too. Details of DSS. Do I know how to read, sir? Okay, I'll try. Details of DSS 10 allegations against the suspended CBN governor Godwin Emefiele before his suspension. 1. Finding unknown gunmen, ESN and IPOB, with money he raised for his failed presidential bid last year and funds diverted from government corpus. That is 1. See it here. You see it on the screen. Number 2, mismanagement of Nigeria Social Investment Program, NISAL, NISRAL, and the Anchor Borrower Scheme. Number 3, illegal economic crimes of national security dimension. Number 4, money laundering. Number 5, unwholesome activities through praxis. Number 6, round tripping. I don't know what round tripping is. Number 7, confinement of financial benefits to self and to others, which means that he is giving financial benefit of the country to himself, and he is giving it to some people according to what that man say. If you want to be rich, yeah, the CBN governor can just make you rich now. You see a lot. That is what the honorable member said. Number 8, threat to national security. Number 9, criminal conspiracy to divert government resources. Then number 10, financing terrorism. Terrorism financing. Now, before I go further, I want to remind us what Buhari said the very first day they elected Buhari into office. Buhari said, I belong to everybody and I belong to nobody. You know, sometimes I get to wonder why people are saying that, Buhari is dead. That is not Buhari. Buhari don't know what he's doing. He is brain dead. Hey, you don't know. Buhari is the smartest president Nigeria has ever had. He is the smartest. The very first day he stepped into office, he said, I belong to everybody and I belong to nobody. That is why he's saying that, because I want to rule the way I want. Nobody will say he's my godfather, he helped me to get there or something. That is why he dropped that statement. Now, when Buhari was leaving, Buhari knows that they will definitely come for his ministers, Minister of Aviation, the one that scammed Nigeria. Even I heard that the Northern Forum has called for his arrest. Yes, because what he did is scam us. Yes. So now, Buhari knew that the next government will go for his ministers and the rest of them, CBN governor and the rest. That is why when he's leaving, he said, if they disturb me, I have established a relationship with my neighbors, Niger, Cameroon, and the rest of them. If you come for me, if you disturb me, I will go to Niger. They will defend me. You see, Buhari is a wise man. He knew that it will get to this. And there's no way you can say you want to hold Emefiele without holding his oga. Because Emefiele cannot work on his own. They have to give him orders. The president gave him the order. So you cannot remove this from Buhari completely and say, Emefiele, face your crime. No. That is why Buhari said, don't disturb me. Emefiele, as it stands now, it's just you and your lawyer. You cannot reach Buhari. Buhari will not pick your call. He will tell you he's not aware. So many people are angry with you, Emefiele. When you were the CBN governor, no, I'm not saying that I have personal problem with you. But what I'm saying is that if you are a man that have done the right thing in the economy of the country, by now there will be protests that they should release you. But there is no protest. I go through social media. I see all the comments. They are saying that, yes, it's good. This one, that one. Everybody are complaining. During the election, tell me why you did the Naira redesign? When as at now, I don't know if it's only me. I have not used my true eye to see the new note. What is in circulation is the old note. So what is the use of doing that Naira redesign? They just chop money for nothing. What is the use of that Naira redesign? Now people are complaining. I hope they will allow us to use our card. You close using of card abroad. Nobody can use your card. Dollar is high. For no reason, dollar just go up. The Naira is falling down. I don't know what Buhari even did. You see this life. If you are holding public office, it's very tempting. The money is flashing in your eye. You will be seeing it. But my advice to the new public officers is that be very careful. You see this power of a thing, you can't be there for life. It is some few years. You are seeing 8 years, like 8 years is long. Wallahi tallahi, 8 years is not long. Like this, 8 years don't finish. If you steal, they will catch you. Even if they don't catch you, they will disgrace you. On social media, they will even. My question is that what are they even waiting for? Why have they not even called Hadi Sirka for what here? His own is even clear. This one is a charge. It's not between Emefiele and his lawyer to say I did not do it. But why are they waiting for us to this man that scam us Nigerian air? They will not do anything about it. Is it only Emefiele they are holding? No, you have to do justice. If you are going to arrest, just make sure you hold everybody that have stolen something. No. But Emefiele, you myself. Ha! With the thing you did during the election, the way they will drill you for. I hope you are ready. Ilaha illallah. Well, these are the 10 count charge against Emefiele. I know Nigerians, Emefiele has offended us. Most of us that are traveling out on a constant basis, most of us businessmen and women that are buying things abroad to come and sell in Nigeria, I know that Emefiele has offended you. Most of us that are students abroad, I know he has offended you. On behalf of Emefiele, I'm saying temper justice with mercy. Forgive him. He has done us wrong, yes, but we will not do more than what we do to him. So it's there. It's a breaking news. So what you need to do, share this video so that everybody can see what is happening to our Emefiele. I'll be giving you update of Emefiele's case in the DSS in the coming time. But for now, even as I'm talking about what Emefiele has done, even the 10-count charge and the rest of them are saying that people will not come and protest and say they should release him because I feel that he has not done well. Some people will still watch this video and say this man is Shaibu. It don't have sense. Have you ever seen a video that I say I have sense? I don't have sense now. I don't. But I am the spice creator. This one is my title. This one is what God in heaven gave to me. I am the spice creator. OON. Google me if you like. Don't Google me. And don't forget to follow my page. Some of you watch my video, you don't follow the page. Follow the page.